Would you like to feel better after being ghosted? If you're struggling because somebody in your life suddenly disappeared without any explanation and no warning, you're not alone. Unfortunately, being ghosted is common and it's one of the hardest things we can experience in relationships. It's normal to have endless worries, uncontrollable thoughts, and unanswered questions after it happens. Maybe you can't put your phone down because you keep hoping your ghost will reach out, be online, or post on social media. Or perhaps you have some good days but can't stop thinking about your ghost when your head hits the pillow at night. If you're struggling, I'm so sorry you're going through this. I've been ghosted one too many times and I get it. I'm Greta, and I'm the host of the Coping with Ghosting podcast and a coach for people who have been ghosted. In the past, I was ghosted a lot, and I got so fed up that I decided I had to do something because I didn't want anyone else to go through the pain that I felt. So I did everything I could to find all the ways to feel better after being ghosted, and I've uncovered the essentials needed for you to take your power back. The first essential is changing your mindset around ghosting. The next is up-leveling your habits, and finally, learning to prioritize yourself. And I'll walk you through this process in my Take Your Power Back workshop. Here's what people have said about coping with ghosting. Your words of wisdom have given me what I need to move on and create a new perspective to my life. Thank you for your incredible work. And I just wanted to say thank you. I'm struggling a lot with somebody who has ghosted me, and your work has been really helpful during my healing process. Another person reached out to me and said, "Thank you so much for what you're doing. It's so important these days. Love your work. It's giving me clarity and reassurance." In the Take Your Power Back workshop, my friend and fellow coach SDK and I will help you understand why ghosting isn't personal, how to focus on yourself and upgrade your mindset, and build stability in your life after being ghosted. It includes extra bonuses to help you relax in the present moment, and it's all under an hour, so you can pause, reflect, and come back to any portion whenever you need it. This is the first time I've seen a workshop that walks you through how to take your power back after being ghosted. And private coaching calls can be a minimum of $100 per session. But the Take Your Power Back workshop is only $29.99, and it's laser focused on showing you how to regain control of your life. And if it doesn't help you on any level, you can ask for your money back. I'm so excited about this workshop because it's under an hour and it includes extra bonuses to help you relax and feel better in your mind and heart. And you'll also receive a complimentary workbook to write out your thoughts and track your progress throughout your journey. Click the Buy Now button below to instantly get the workshop delivered to your email. You're going to feel so much better.